Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add credentials in n8n. This process is crucial for anyone who uses n8n to automate workflows because it enables you to securely connect to a variety of apps and services. Let's dive in and make this as easy as possible. First, let's talk about why this is important. Adding credentials in n8n is a fundamental step because it ensures that your workflow automations can interact with external services securely. Without proper credentials, n8n won't be able to perform tasks like sending emails, fetching data, or interacting with APIs you've integrated. So you can see how essential it is for any automation enthusiast or professional. Now, let's start the process. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the official n8n website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. Give it a click and log into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, this is your first step. Creating an account is quick and straightforward, and it's necessary to proceed with n8n. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a menu. Within this menu, look for an option labeled Credentials. Go ahead and select it. This is where all the magic happens. If you're using the community version of n8n, you'll see an Add Credential button right there. Click on that to begin the process of adding your new credential. However, if you're using n8n with projects, there's a bit more to consider. You'll need to decide whether to create the credential within your personal space or assign it to a specific project. This feature is particularly useful if you're juggling multiple projects and need to keep credentials organized and distinct from each other. Another efficient way to add credentials is directly from within the workflow editor. When you're editing a node and reach a point where a credential is required, you can conveniently select Credential from the drop-down menu. This method can be faster if you're already in the thick of creating or editing a workflow, saving you a few extra clicks. Once you initiate the process of adding a credential, you'll be prompted to choose the app or service you wish to connect to. The list of available services may vary based on what n8n supports and any additional integrations you have enabled. Select the service you want to connect with, and you'll be taken to a new screen. Here, you'll need to input certain details. These details could range from API keys, usernames, and passwords, to OAuth tokens, depending on what the service requires. It's a good idea to have this information ready beforehand to make the process smoother. If you're unsure about what specific details or format you need for a particular service, you can refer to the documentation provided in the n8n Credentials library. This resource is incredibly helpful for verifying credential formats or understanding any steps needed for generation. After entering all the necessary details accurately, go ahead and save those credentials. Typically, n8n will perform a validation check at this point. This means it will verify your details to ensure everything is correct and able to connect. If there are any errors, n8n will usually notify you, and you might need to re-enter or double-check your information. And there you have it. Congratulations! You've successfully added new credentials in n8n, linking your workflow to your chosen app or service. This step is a significant move towards more seamless automation, keeping your workflows efficient and error-free. That's it for this tutorial on how to add credentials in n8n. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos. Happy automating!